Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make the best Guyanese beef patties, guys. Oh my gosh, this was one of my favorite growing up, and I am going to share this with you and how to make it. It is really easy and simple. You can use chicken if you like, you can use beef. My meat of choice today is beef. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. To my preheated pan, I'm adding some homemade spicy garlic chili oil, and there I'm going in with some diced garlic, some diced onions, and celery. We're going to saute that for about 30 seconds. Then we go in with our tomato paste, cook that out for about a minute. Then we add our ground beef. You're going to add the rest of your seasoning. Not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. You can also season this meat to your likeness and taste. That is just fine. All right. Allow this to cook out really good. So my meat took me about 25 minutes. In here, I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of flour and curry powder in some water. There, pour that in. It makes the meat even juicier, amplifies the flavor. You're just leveling this up, guys. All right, absolutely delicious. So then I'm going in with my hand blender and just give this a rough blend. Or you can choose not to. This part is totally optional. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. You already know how juicy that is going to be. All right, so we are going to roll our butter pastry crust out here. Now, how to make this crust, everything will be in the description box. The most scrumptious, delicious crust ever. You can cut your patties however you want to in terms of size. All right, but if you do have a patty pan, guys, please use the pan. I don't know why I'm not remembering to get one of the pan, but if you don't have one, not to worry, you can still make your patties. Do exactly what I'm doing here. All right. You cut all your circles out, then you're going to egg wash and cover the meat and seal with a fork. Just like what I'm doing here. Awesome. Then you're going to place that on a baking sheet. Use your fork and make some incisions in the center. And I'm using 1 Creole egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix that well, and then we're going to egg wash. Bake for about 25 minutes in a 350 degrees oven, and you have yourself the best, scrumptious, absolutely delicious Guyanese beef patties. Guys, I really want y'all to try this recipe. Again, if y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Love you guys, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye bye now.